Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Anurag Paul,
Author of
Shine from Within.
Sir. How is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
I have been an avid reader and I always visit World Delhi Book Fair. And this is the first time when I'm visiting, and I have come here with
As an
my
author.
book as an
Right.
author. So I was just talking to my wife and I was telling her that how beautiful an
Right.
experience it is when we visit book fair as an author and we want to meet readers who are interested in my book.
What is the most memorable feedback you've gotten about your book?
So one of the readers, she wrote an a review on Amazon, and she wrote that this gives a very interesting perspective
Right.
about issues that are being faced by the youth today in the country,
Right.
and it is an eye opener to read about relationships, wealth management, and also the spiritual part of it. How
Right.
important it is for youth in this country to understand the nuances of all these things.
Right. And who is this book for mainly?
This book is mainly for people of all ages. Primarily, the target audience is the youth group, the young people in this country who have so many questions in their mind about how to navigate the difficulties of life.
Right.
And this book falls under the category of self-help, and I believe that readers will find a lot of words of wisdom, understanding, and knowledge in this book.
That's wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your experience
Thank
with
you.
us.
Thank you.
I hope you have a wonderful book fair, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.